than simply fuel and flame. It's a collection of forces working in perfect synchronization. A supercharger born of Kawasaki turbine power. Flawlessly machined metal. Meticulously crafted aerospace bodywork. Together these forces unite in the spirit of our undying quest for greatness. To create something that's built beyond belief. Introducing the Supercharged Ninja H2. Conceived and crafted by Kawasaki Heavy Industries.
Come to Ilford Kawasaki, Baker's Motorcycles. We come to collect the two H2s today. Our friend is picking up, two friends of ours are picking up two Kawasaki H2s. And there they are. Picking up the H2.
Come on, man. Lovely, thank you.
There you go, so that's that one for you.
Just gold.
General 600 miles, 6,000 RPM.
Oh, 6,000.
6,000. The book says 4, and you do have that little bit of allowance, but it's usually 4,000 RPM to 600 miles and 6,000 RPM to 1,000 miles. But 6,000 RPM to about 600 miles should be more than that, as long as you keep an eye on that.
So there's one at 600 miles and there's one at 1,000 miles.
Supposedly, if you go by the book, although every time we've done a handover, 6,000 RPM to 600 miles and then first service, generally okay from there, yeah. And then you can run it as you normally do from there onwards. Spare key, of course, Kawasaki pen, all the others that Les has run you through. Bike track information, this is in case your insurance ever want to see it. Is this you? No, that's the other one, so I need to put your one in. But that's all the major information, wash bag, everything's there, of course the back. Then once we run you through the bike, so we get to sign that's it. So that's all your information there. But they've both been run up, all tested, everything worked fine. I had the electrics running this morning and both bikes with and without the baffle, and without the baffle much more preferred. So yeah, it sounds a little bit nicer. So I'll run you through these bits as I take through the bikes.
Let's go forward, that'll be jogging. Oh, where's that green pond?
Don't give him the pond, not now.
He's got it in his mouth already, bro. He's got it in his mouth.
There you go. That's for you.
Okay, we can't see the key, we can't see the key. Shine it up a little bit.
There you go. So that's your
Murad and Farouk picking up the H2s. And the key goes in the bike. Ooh, check it out.
now.
Oh, before you
start. Difference because when it is, it's a new start. So you have to pull that, which is basically a kill switch.
Somebody's very happy there. I haven't seen someone so happy. Murad, इधर सामने आ जाओ. Give me a thumbs up. Gonna have smoke alarm going.
That's marvelous.
So as it's activated, you get your dash, rear counter, speedo, neutral, so gear indication light. To play around with any of the modes, so you've got your clock, engine temperature, 1 mile per gallon on your one.
I'm going to here अभी
Miles per gallon average, UK, to the gallon.
नहीं वो चीज़ है लेकिन वो तो पेपर वर्क साइन करते थे but बाइक है पैसे दिए
Now when it says unit, this is as soon as you go overseas. So let's just scroll, you just press mode to select, you change between UK miles, kilometres, kilometre units, the whole lot. So at the moment we're both set as UK miles per gallon, UK speedo. So you press mode again and take it out. And so again you've got clock, press mode, and then you can change the clock to daylight savings. Kawasaki launch control, as soon as you want to turn it on, just hit mode. You hold down mode, sorry, until it starts flashing. No, let's just put it back.
You better pay attention.
Kawasaki quick shifter, again, press mode button, off or on, so quick shifter is on. AEBC stands for Kawasaki, it's basically engine braking control. Corner management, so that sets light or hot. Shift grip, that's set at 9,000 RPM. Shift lamp, traction control, that's set at maximum setting on both wheels at the moment, so that's fully set, but if you want to just play with that, KTRC is Kawasaki road traction control, full modes. Rain mode's on, and then brightness, you can just change brightness.
Brightness of what?
The actual clock itself.
Oh.
And then to get out of that, you just hold down mode, switches you back into the dash. Actually rain mode, because this wet outside, I've got a stick rain mode on. Obviously you've got passing lights, indicators, your mode feature buttons, hazards, a lot.
Right.
All nice and simple.
So it's on quick shift mode.
Everything's on quick shift, full traction.
So
everything is set up basically to go.
and it's on boost as well. Yeah. I need to keep a little bit of copper in you.
Watch how you touch yourself onto the bike. You got marks, you know,
I
zips.
do, because on my one, I've just got a tank pad there. Loads of scratches.
What? Why haven't you got a tank pad over right there?
It leaves a nasty mark on the chrome, so I'm trying to find one that actually has a decent one at the moment.
So you can get sprays for protection?
There is certain things you can get, but a lot of it's in the States because they've had a lot longer to fabricate a few things.
It's alright, you've got DHL.
You just got the clear one.
Yeah.
You've got the clear protector.
No, you don't put it on there because it leaves a mark. It said there's going to be other protections. Is that your?
That's his horn. Yeah.
Okay, not the. Ooh, it's got some protection on here too. It's extra added. That's on the Pac-Man mode.
I want you to use that. Don't worry.
Lucky you haven't got OAP as your number plate, eh?
Yeah, exactly. That's what we bought.
Don't get on the road, right?
Amazing.
Oh, just make sure. Let me know if the buses come behind. Moran, let's just take it easy on the wheelies, yeah? I was just kidding.
Just gonna go check the toolkit.
Don't tell them, but they got the same chuddies as well. Green chuddies over here. What's your bag? There's people coming.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ride one more time. अरे हट 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 फोटो निकाल रहा हूँ फोटो निकाल रहा हूँ Ready?
Is you ready, alright?
I told you tell me about the bus, but no one listened.
You've got to be front like me.
Cover limit.
Look at it, man, looks awesome.
Looks like in the daylight, it's even nicer. It's raining. I'll get rid of this. Don't be get the way, man. You're taking a photo. You're in the yeah, we in the way. It's alright, I can stay in. It's alright, it's only plastic. Okay, man.
What's your YouTube name?
Huh?
What's your YouTube name?
Oh, it's Alf786.
Alf786.
Even back then he was looking at that.
You said it was similar.
On your heart.
Look at that up there, brother. That's better. Now you can see them properly, innit? What do you have there, Mike, sir? Get a scooter as well.
That looks like a door with that glove on. I didn't know you were there.
You alright? You cold?
Amici!